Go.
Hey guys, so today we will be doing the
Oh wait, Pip! We need your plastic bag.
Doesn't matter.
Who cares?
Throw it out.
Well, this people is the face reveal because we forgot. Who cares? Hi. Put it here.
I need to make it even bigger hole. I need to do a bigger hole.
What the hell, Pip?
I'm making a very big hole.
I want to eat the cake. Okay. We are going to do this.
We're gonna go to
Dad said he's going to give me a
Volcano.
new phone. I'm like, huh? Because this phone is really crappy. It's time to break.
We're doing a volcano challenge. Temp 302.
It's going.
Oh, I'm more vinegar. Baking soda.
Are we supposed to get? Are we allowed to get that all mudded up? Let me feel head. Oh my God! Look at it.
Where's the soap at?
Hold it. I want to try doing my own. You failed. Okay. Can I try to do my own? Can you record?
We have no more. My hands are all.
I'll just put it on there here. I'll use this. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this.
Pippi! What have you done? I need to do something.
I gotta add this. Okay. Might be this far away. Okay, that looks enough. Can you wash this off? Okay, last one.
Is it good to put baking soda?
Wait, I might do it really far away. Oh my God! Look at it!
It's done.
What is?
The cake.
Rocky out, we have to clean up. Oh! It's raining!
You can see, look at this. Look at that. Wait.
Oh, destroy the volcano!
Pip.
Nobody coming to our experiment place.
Thanks for watching. I
This
hope
was a fail attempt.
horrible fail video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and like the video. Bye.